Personally, I don't really decorate interior columns. They are definitely necessary as they hold up our roof, but I don't like to accentuate them. I typically paint them the same color as the walls, so they hopefully disappear in the environment. But if you do want to decorate your columns in your room, there are a couple cute ways to decorate them, but still keep them simple. The first way to decorate a column is you can create a gallery of photographs on your column. It's a great conversational piece, and I prefer black and white photos over color photos. And I would prefer to keep them all small size, 4x6 or a 5x7. You can do a gallery of your family, or you can do art photographs around your column. Another way of decorating a column is by adding tile mosaic. It could be glass, travertine, or marble. The other way to decorate a column would be to paint it an accent color. It will create a definite border in your room, so just beware. I hope this helps.